Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. My name is Lonne, and this is the beautiful Sunningdale by Bellway. That office to the side is actually a garage. Beautiful edifice. Now, walking into this home, you're greeted by this lovely hallway that gives you a glimpse of the open plan kitchen diner that we're gonna see up ahead. But before then, we do have a lounge space, lovely lounge space that I would really enjoy welcoming my guests into. It is airy. They've got big, large windows that let in a lot of natural light. To that open French style to the front of the house, which is absolutely stunning. And then we do have a three-piece suite in here that is very much spaced out. They've got two that are armchairs that can fit single or that could fit an adult each. And then we've got one double seat there that could possibly fit 3 people in it. So it is a good sizable lounge with great furniture, great presentation to the space. I do love the focal point with the TV there. And the artwork in this place is really complementary to the space. The mirrors bounce a lot of light around, giving it that more spacious feel and giving it that more light just bouncing around the room. What do you think about this lounge space? Is it well presented, and would you present your house in this way? I really enjoyed it in here. The see-through door leads us back into the large hallway. I don't know if I mentioned the main door is a very strong door with 2 panels of glass either side and one in the middle of the door. And then into this open plan kitchen diner that does have a seating area. So you could definitely stage this as another little lounge with a telly on the wall if you'd like your kids to maybe reside in this kitchen diner area a bit more. The dining table is well presented, beautiful dining table with great cutlery and plate sets. This one is currently sitting about 6 people. If you want more, I'm sure you could add more seating area to this kitchen diner. The kitchen diner also has doors leading into the very well presented garden and 2 extra glass panels either sides of the French doors heading to that gorgeous peninsular kitchen. It does have a seating area, gas hob, and an extractor fan facing onto that lovely dining space, meaning entertaining will be a breeze and it'll be wonderful. Heading over onto the sink area, we do have a 1.5 sink with a hook shaped tap. I love the design. It's so flat and interesting. And 3 panel window facing the beautiful garden again. We have 2 ovens there, which is wonderful. Behind these doors, which for some reason I didn't open up, is integrated appliances. So we do have the fridge, freezer in there. We do have the dishwashers and normal whistle and bells for new builds, which we love to see. And at the main entrance again, there is 2 glass panels, which if it wasn't for those glass panels, this hallway would have been very dark. So that was a great design idea there to have those glass panels either side of the main door. Upstairs, we are about to view 5 beautiful bedrooms with different characters. Of course, we're going to start with the baby room, the cutest, most well presented room ever. So under here, we do have some storage that was created by the stairs. So that would be great in a baby's room because you could put a number of things, a lot of toys possibly. And then in here, we do have a little Winnie the Pooh theme in this bedroom. I think this is just so cute. Although this is one of the smaller bedrooms, all the furniture that you could possibly need is present. We do have a wardrobe. We have a little toddler's bed and a large chest of drawers. a little side table even, so everything that is needed, and some space for cartwheels is all available in this gorgeous Winnie the Pooh themed bedroom. What did you think of that one? Now heading into this other bedroom here. This bedroom, you could think it's a principal bedroom. It's not. It's just a really good sized bedroom. That could be your eldest. In my case, it could be April's. And then we do have beautiful windows, 3-pane window, because the room is pretty big. It's a long bedroom with an L-shaped wardrobe. I will show you what I mean. I loved the decor. They really ran with the pink. It is very cute. There is a headboard there. What do you think of this headboard? I was a little bit unsure, but it is quite interesting to look at from a design point of view. For an individual, maybe not. And then we do have a large ensuite in here. The ensuite is so big for a room that is not the principal bedroom. There is loads of space around in this ensuite. You don't feel like it's a little confined box, which is great. And then heading back into the bedroom, again, this L-shaped wardrobe really took me aback a little bit. I was like, does this actually open up? And it does. It is a functioning wardrobe. Again, in new builds, they kind of sometimes have very similar features, and when I spot a feature that's a little bit different, I am very intrigued. We also have this little entry point for the bedroom. It does feel like your little private loft. Another room that could be maybe a toddler or baby room, smaller side, and it is staged as an office, which is a gorgeous little way of using this space. If you don't need all 5 bedrooms, this would be the perfect way to use it. If you don't work from home, the kids could definitely do their homework in this space. Then if we look around, again, behind there we have a little seating area for your little guests if you're using this office really, or if you're working and your kids have some questions, you can put them on that bench. Then heading back into the hallway there, we do have some functional bits and bobs. And then a family bathroom, a very good sized family bathroom with a detached shower, which is great. It's very new, very clean. We love that about new builds, is when you get it, it's yours and you're the first person to live there. It's always interesting. And then we do have a shelf there. That is a great way to hide the flushing system of the toilets and also put your beautifully designed decor pieces. We have a mirror just above that. I mean, what's a bathroom without a mirror? Gotta ask myself that. It's a beautiful tile behind that bathtub as well. Heading over to bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 is a very standard, good sized double bed with 2 windows, French style, lovely decor, simple, not too much for the eye. I do like this room. I think it's just straight to the point. This would be an ideal guest room for people who are coming in and out of your house and possibly not staying for a very long time. We do have a chest of drawer in there. Love that room. I think that would be a great guest room. And then moving on into the principal bedroom very shortly. In the principal bedroom, when you walk in, you do have another ensuite bedroom. The principal bedroom has gorgeous amounts of space. Those lamps say a lot. The size of the lamp says a lot about the size of the room. It's got mirrored wardrobes, beautiful mirrored wardrobes. And the side tables in here could be chest of drawers. Yeah, that's how big the room is. The room does have French doors and little windows on the sides of the French doors, because again, if it was just French doors, then if you wanted fresh air, then you would have to open a whole door. So the windows are great to have in this space as well. I do love everything here. It is very neutral, very welcoming, a great space. An armchair in here, great mirror, great decor all around. The lighting in here is also just wonderful. I will let you have a moment to take in this room and just enjoy this room. And then what we do have is this gorgeous ensuite. I love the tile. I love any tile that almost looks stony. It adds texture and decor with very minimal effort. I find that it just does that without trying. They have an overhead shower in this one and a handheld shower. And this space here, when you walk in and out of the room, is very telling of it being the principal bedroom. It's like a welcome area just before stepping into the bedroom. This is an overview of everything. Okay, guys, so this is now my call out for comments. What do you think about the Bellway's Sunningdale home? It is a 5-bedroom house again. What did you think? We do have 2 rooms with ensuite. We do have lovely amounts of space in this house. I did enjoy going out and seeing something new. Guys, I have noticed there is so many of you from last week's video. It was a pretty amazing video, and we will be getting more videos like that. This was recorded basically on the same day. I'd like to welcome the new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, you better get to it. Start subscribing right this minute. Thank you so much for subscribing. I do appreciate the guys who have subscribed and had those who've been around for a while. I appreciate that. I don't know if I showed you this. No, I didn't. So this house does come with a utility room, which is very much needed in the UK. I loved this kitchen. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. With your love. Mwah, mwah. Au revoir. Bye. 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 Bye.